Greetings everyone, I'm Rishita Jaladi. Today I'm going to tell you how effectively you can make use of opportunities online to grab interesting, attractive, and useful internships. Now, there is this website called internshala.com. Now, if you log into this particular website, you can see a page which is displayed, and that page looks exactly like this. Now, you have two options right at the top. One is login and the other one is register. Now, if you have already had an account in this particular website, then you can directly log in with your user ID and password. And if you are new to this website, then go and register. Now, if you're a student, register as a student, and if you're an employer, register as an employer. Now, after registering, you will get a new user ID and password, then log in. Now, since I've already had an account in this particular website, I'll directly log in. Now, after logging into your account, then you will have various options at the top. Internships, online trainings, fresher jobs, this is the chat box, and this is your profile. Now, go to this particular option called internships. Now, if you want to do an internship, first of all, what is an internship? Internship is nothing but a kind of a job, but it is not exactly a job. Basically, it is working with an organization, sometimes with pay or without pay, and which basically gives you experience and some qualification. Now, if you want to do an internship, just click this button and you will have various options here. Like the first one is location. Now, if you want to do an internship from home, you have to select work from home. And if you're living in Bangalore and you can just go out and work, then you can select internship in Bangalore. If you're from Delhi, you can select internship in Delhi. So, depending on the places, you can select. And the last option is international internship, where you can actually apply for internships which have coordinations or which have links with international accounts or international companies. Now you can actually select whatever option you want in the place of location, then it's the profile. Now, in which field or in which discipline you want to do it, that is computer science or marketing internship, finance, mechanical, HR, digital marketing, electronics, civil, campus ambassador program, etc. And you have to select the category. So, is it law, science, humanities? So, science and humanities is nothing but this science and humanities, graphic design internship, part time jobs or internships. So, you have to basically choose your category. And if you don't want to choose any category, just go and click view all internships. Now, if you click view on internships, this is the list of all the internships. Now, actually, first thing you have to do is you have to go to your profile and you have to build your profile. For example, if you can see, I have a 5-star rating here. So, if you are a new user, then you will have to update your account. So, there you have an option here where you have 0 rating because you are a new user. You have to click that and they will ask you some questions which are very basic, like what you want to do, like why you want to do an internship, and so on. Now, based on the questions, you have levels, level 1, level 2, 3, 4 till master level. So I guess there are some 20 questions in each level and you will have to answer all those questions and reach the master level. Then you will get a rating of 5. So this is basically to show that you are interested to apply for internships. Now, when you apply for any company, that particular company will look at your rating. So, is she having a 5-star rating or a 4-star rating or 3, 2, 1, 0? So, depending on your rating, it will also choose. So, this is one factor that is actually depending on whether you'll get an internship or not. So, make sure that you fill these, you complete these levels. Now, after this, you will have to get back and you can see in this particular profile itself they will ask you what is your field of interest, like is it teaching or you want to learn something or you want to work with an organization like journalism. So it has various disciplines. So my discipline is basically science and journalism. Now in that particular discipline, I have 131 internships that match my preference. Now if you want, you have to choose the starting date, like I want to start the internship from this date and it should end by this date. So you can actually choose, and again then you'll have a list of internships. Now you can just scroll down. For example, this is online teaching English language. So I want to do this internship. Now first of all, look at this particular thing. I want to do this internship, and this internship is basically provided by Kid Activity Technologies. So this company is providing this online teaching English language as an internship. Now this internship is work from home, since I have selected the option work from home. Now the starting date is immediately, that means I have to apply immediately. And the duration is 6 months, that means I have to do this internship for 6 months. And for doing this internship, I will get a stipend of rupees 6,000 to 11,000 per month. Now this will be based on my performance. If I'm performing extremely good, then I'll get the maximum stipend, that is 11,000. Now if I'm okay, then I'll get 6,000 stipend. So this stipend completely depends on the way we perform. Now you have to apply for this internship by 20th October, and today is 6th. So you will have to apply to this internship by 20th of October. Now, if you want to know about this particular company and what are the details about this internship, like you have to go to this option called view details. Now, in this view details, you will have the detailed information. For example, you have to start immediately, 6 months, this is stipend, and you have to apply by 20th October. And then you have this particular company. So the company is Kid Activity Technologies. So this is about the company. So you should, when you are planning to work with a company, you should know what that company is. Now you have to go to the website. Like if you want to know what that company is all about, you can go to that company's website also. And this is a brief introduction about that company. Now this company is a learning platform which focuses on everything apart from studies. Now what you have to do in that particular internship, now it is giving you what you have to do in that particular internship. These are the things that you have to do. The responsibilities include taking online video classes. So you have to take online video classes, and you have to teach English to kids in the age group of 4 to 14 and help them designing the curriculum for each age group. And you have to write feedback reports for the children, like how they are doing, are they performing good or not, etc. Now this is the note that you will have to actually take seriously, that you will have to work 15 to 18 hours per week. I think this particular guideline is given for every company. And the best thing about internshala.com is most of the companies in this particular website gives flexible working hours. That means, see, it has specified you need to work 15 to 18 hours. That means you can work whenever you're free. If you're free during the night, you can work during night. So the thing is, the deadline is per week you will have to work for 15 to 18 hours. Now the skills that require are English proficiency, and that is spoken and written. Now this is the eligibility criteria, who can apply. The ones who can work from home can apply, and the ones who can start working between 5th to 9th November can apply, and the ones who are available for 6 months duration can apply, and they should have skills and interest which are relevant. Now they, if women want to start their career, can also apply. Now you can see what will they give at the end. Perks means the what you will get at the end of this internship. So you will get a certificate where this company will give you an experience certificate stating that you are actually working for that particular, you have worked for that institution or you have worked for that organization, and it will give you a certificate, and it will grade you whether you have done well, whether you have exceeded expectations, or you're good, or you're okay, like that they will grade you. And the number of openings is 20. That means you have to apply as soon as possible, as they will take only 20 of the applicants. Now if you go to this apply now, see, this is my resume. So basically you will have to give your resume. So what are the projects? So this is what, so this is the resume. So you will have to submit your resume and you have to go to proceed to application. Now they will ask you, why should you be hired for this role? Now you have to be very genuine answering this question, because if you copy paste it from any other website, or if you copy paste it from the internet, they will easily recognize and you will not be selected. And then you will have to actually mention the timings, the dates where you will be from when you will be available. And this is general, that is whether you have a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection, because it's very important to do an online internship. Now, these are some basic questions, and please make sure that you're very genuine while answering these questions. You should not copy paste. Now, after everything, just click submit. Now, since I have not answered, it is asking me to answer. So, if you have answered all these columns, it will ask you to submit, and it's done. Now, after submitting, you will have this messenger or the chat box. So if you are selected, or if an organization or an institute that you have applied for has really liked your resume and it wants to hire you, then it will send you a message in this messenger, and you can reply to them and follow the instructions. That is what you can do. So this is the basic process that you will have to follow to grab internships on this particular website. Apart from internships, you have online trainings, and online training is nothing but online course where you can do n number of online courses. For example, if you're a computer science student, you can do programming with Python, you can learn languages like C, C++, etc. If you're a business management student, you can learn digital marketing, advanced Excel. And if you're a data science student, you can do machine learning. If you're an engineering student, you can learn AutoCAD. And if you are an art student, you can learn guitar, creative writing, photography, video editing. And there are various other disciplines like agriculture, various other fields like agriculture, language, career development, etc. So this is basically paid, because for every online course, online courses are not free. You have to pay, but the payment or the amount is reasonable. It is not too high or not too low, it is reasonable. And you can also apply for jobs. Now, if you are not a student, basically this is very useful for the ones who are searching for a job, freshers. So if you are a fresher and if you want a job, then you can apply here, freshers jobs. And if you just go and click this button, you will get a list of jobs and you can apply based on what you want to do. And that is what. And don't just apply for one internship and wait for it. Apply for 2 to 3 internships. You don't know whether you will be selected or not, so just hunt for internships, because if you do more number of internships, you will get more experience and you will also get more qualifications. Now, after using this particular website, if you want to log out, you can definitely log out. And always remember, please don't pay for any internship, because no internship or no company will ask you to pay for an internship. You have to pay only for the online training and not internship. And if any company asks you to pay for internship, then just you can go and go to the help center and safety tips. First go to safety tips and study, read all those safety tips. Then if you have any issues, or if any company is asking you to pay, then go to the help center, and then you can actually register your complaint. Then after using this website, you can just log out. So this is how you could actually make use of this particular website, and there are more than 20,000 internships in this internshala.com. So I recommend this particular website for all those new students, new graduation or undergraduation students. This is also useful for PG students. So if you are interested to do an internship, to gain experience and to gain better qualifications for yourself, then definitely I recommend internshala.com. Thank you so much.